guys, I'm Simran Bhatia, and earlier I've showed you guys the interiors and how I set up my own house, the tour that I made, and now it's time for me to show you guys the different places that I discover, and this time it is this ultimately gorgeous looking place that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. So my friends Abhijit and Nikita, we were just sitting and talking about the beautiful places that these guys create. It is just so gorgeous looking, everything around is so perfect. I love the taste, I love the selections of the interiors and the decor that these guys choose. So everything was just amazing, and I told them let's just make a video about it, show you guys the whole place as well, and I'm sure that you will love as well. So let's just get started with this.
First place, as soon as you enter, is this mini sitting for small meetings that are professional. This place is poppy with gold and maroon.
Starting off with the very first room that we're in right now, it is the drawing area that has to be my favorite in the whole house because of its fresh color. Mint is not something that I've seen in a drawing room ever, and it just looks so cool to sit in and something very new as well. So all these colors are not really in your face kind of popping. It's just very subtle and nice. I like this wall that has mint and then a gold circle that has been custom made for this house and has been designed by these guys. That is so cool.
Structural ceiling design calls for some attention, which looks perfect with this little chandelier.
Moving on from the drawing area, we have our living area right here.
There's this element of touchlight button which is so trendy. Beige colored sitting for the living area that's comfortable for a family to be. Colors here are making an interior statement. The cushion selection is surely what I adore the most here. Center table, that's a set of three that is spacious yet very different looking. It has a golden detail. Connected to this area is the dining table with a balcony attached. White color of these chairs are balancing the reds and giving a subtle look to it. The last bit of this section is this wash basin area that has a touchlight mirror along.
Right outside this dining area, we have a balcony here that is super cool. Any parties that you want. So fountain here, amazing view of course, and this ceiling lights that I've not seen before, which is very unique in the style of the placement and everything. I really like it. I can just refill my detox water and just have a piece. Dining area, we have this open kitchen that is really pretty. It's all white and with Italian platforms and everything that I really like. Just have a look.
It is a fully loaded kitchen with Italian finishing and hints of great textures. Storage is obviously a must and is well taken care of.
From the dining area, we have a little passage here that has a lot of storage capacity. So this side we have this humongous wall that you can keep a lot of things in, because that is such a must-have in the houses, guys. It is just never enough. And this side we have this console that has Italian texture over it. It is very matte and very simple shine, which looks super cool. Every little corner has been so well thought of. Like the ceiling has the wooden texture and it has like little cuts that is adding an element to the whole look. Here we have our first guest room.
Color theme of this room is browns and whites. The back panel of the bed has warm lights along with wooden texture that's making it very soothing to be in. Each room has a balcony for fresh air and a nice morning view to the pool.
Opposite to the first guest room, we have the second guest room on the right.
The color palette in the room remains the same, but the look is completely different. It's more symmetrical. Love these tissue soft curtains that's pouring elegance to the look. Next is the master bedroom with floral texture wallpapers and cushioned bed support.
perfect for a kid's room. Another thing that I really like about this particular room is that every little element here has a certain amount of quirkiness attached to it. So this is that little corner where you can have your coffee and enjoy the rains and have a beautiful view. And towards this side, so there's been like a little bit of greenery and having a back like the terrace garden, mini terrace garden sort of a place here.
This fancy curtain tie-up is surely worth a mention here.
So that was about this apartment tour, and if you guys want to check out more of Nikita and Abhijit's work, you can check the Facebook and Instagram page that is linked right here. And yeah, that was about today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you guys later. Bye.